Most people place a Walmart order and only later realize they chose the wrong fulfillment option. Then they panic, thinking they are stuck with pickup when they actually needed delivery. Here's the truth no one tells you. In many cases you can switch from pickup to delivery, but only if you understand exactly when and how the system allows changes. Quick promise. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to change a Walmart order from pickup to delivery in 2026, when it is possible, what blocks the change, and the fastest way to fix it without canceling everything. Let's start simple. Walmart lets you place online orders in two main ways: curbside pickup or home delivery. Pickup means you collect it at the store. Delivery means it comes to your door. The problem starts when you select one and later realize the other would have been better. Now here's where it gets interesting. Whether you can switch pickup to delivery depends entirely on the order status. If your order is still being processed and not yet prepared, there is a chance you can modify it. But once the store starts picking your items, changes become very limited. Let's walk through the steps. First, open the Walmart app or website and go to your account. Find your recent orders section. Select the order you want to change. If the option is available, you may see an Edit or Modify Order button. Second, check the fulfillment settings. If Walmart allows changes for that order, you might be able to switch from pickup to delivery by selecting a different fulfillment method and confirming updated fees or availability. But here's the problem most people run into. The option simply does not appear. That usually means the order has already moved too far in the fulfillment process. Once that happens, the system locks the pickup method. So what do you do if you cannot change it? This is where most people get stuck. The fastest solution is usually to cancel the order and reorder it with delivery selected. It sounds annoying, but in many cases it is quicker than waiting for support to manually adjust it. Here is a smart tip. If your order includes high-demand items or time-sensitive groceries, always double-check the fulfillment type before confirming checkout. That small step prevents most of these issues. Another useful detail is timing. Early morning or low-demand hours are more flexible for changes. Busy shopping periods often lock orders faster because stores start processing immediately. Now, here is the key takeaway. You can only change pickup to delivery if your order is still in an early processing stage. After that, cancellation and reorder becomes the only realistic option. So to wrap it up, check your order status quickly. Try editing if available. And if not, cancel and reorder with delivery selected. That is the simplest and most reliable way to fix the mistake. If this helped you avoid confusion, like the video, drop a comment if you have had this issue, and subscribe for more clear step-by-step guides like this.